Mamelodi Sundowns have long recognized for their financial muscle, offering lucrative salaries and transfer fees to secure South Africa's finest football talent. While critics have accused the club of limiting players' opportunities to move abroad, former Sundowns president and current CAF leader, while critics have accused the club of limiting players' opportunities to move abroad, former Sundowns president and current CAF leader Patrice Motsepe has set the record straight. Speaking recently, Motsepe revealed that the club's spending strategy was never about restricting players, but rather about strengthening African football and ensuring players and their families enjoy financial stability, and that the players have to think about their families and think about themselves. What will have a big impact on ensuring that some of the best African players stay in Africa is that we've got to pay them well and we have to pay them competitively. Motsepe explained that Sundowns benchmarked their offers against mid-tier European leagues and said we used to compete with Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and Greece. We would ask players, how much are you earning there, and match it, sometimes even better. Many chose to stay, preferring to be close to their families, their communities, and enjoy familiar comforts. He emphasized that paying players competitively is the key to raising the standard of African football, praising clubs across the continent for their sacrifices to retain talent despite financial challenges, and that some families even have to dig into their own pockets to support clubs. But what's important is that the quality of African football is consistently improving, and that makes me proud. Under this player-centric approach, Sundowns have cemented themselves as South Africa's most dominant club, winning multiple domestic titles and making waves across Africa. Their success isn't just home ground. The club's financial prowess has enabled them to attract top talent internationally, including South American stars like Lucas Ribeiro, Marcelo Allen, and Lucas Suarez. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.